Welcome back to Don's Life.
Welcome to the channel.
We are going to perform an install on the Corvette C8, but with a little bit of a twist, because I'm not going to do this install. This install is going to be fairly basic, and you're going to do it. Surprise!
Oh, I was coming to have a coffee with you.
You'll probably want to put that coffee down because you are going to install something on the Corvette C8. We are installing another spoiler. You up for it?
Do I need to change my clothes?
We'll go easy on you. But yeah, did you hear what I said? Another spoiler.
Like you're taking this one off?
No, I'm not taking this one off. I partnered again with Extreme Online Store. They've sent me a spoiler to put on the C8. Where are we going to put it?
I don't know. I mean, that's a spoiler.
You're confused, aren't you? This is the spoiler. Care to open it?
Why is it so little?
That's not what she said. You're installing that today.
Well, it looks like it just sticks on. Doesn't look
Yeah, can you figure out where it goes? Let's have some fun with it.
No, that won't fit there. There? No, that doesn't fit there.
I don't know. That looked like a pretty good guess to me. Do you want to look around the car some more? Or do you think that's it?
Well, you wouldn't put a spoiler on the front, would you?
I don't know if there's anywhere for that to go.
No. That looks like that shape.
You are correct. Yes. So this is a carbon fiber window spoiler for the back window, and it's going to go on here. And you're going to place it perfectly. You're going to place it so well, and everyone in the audience is going to be watching, that we will know that it is perfect and we won't critique it. And you'll be able to sleep at night because you'll know that you did a good job and you did it all by yourself.
Oh no.
Because if I installed this, if it was out by a millimeter, she would come walking from 100 yards away and she would point out, that's crooked. So I'm leaving this responsibility to you.
Fair enough.
So what do we say?
Let's go.
Let's go.
Oh, let's go.
Okay, so we're just going to inspect this a little more closely to make sure that it's going to mount exactly how we want. I noticed that the adhesive that they sent already attached here, it's just kind of a little over this ridge here. There's a ridge in the back. I'm just going to cut it down just a little bit because I don't want it to kind of sit up at all if that ridge touches anything with extra adhesive in between that and the glass. And yeah, so we're just going to trim maybe 1/8 of an inch all the way along here just to pull back that adhesive a little bit. And then I think it'll rest on there a little better. Then we'll do some mock-ups. We'll maybe use some masking tape as a guide. We'll make sure that glass is very, very clean. And I'm really going to enjoy watching you install this.
It might be crooked. We're gonna clean the glass, make sure it sticks really good. And I can't reach.
Do you want a stool?
I need something.
Do you really want a stool? Okay. Remember, I had a ski box on here, so you can put a little weight on it. It's not a problem. Well, don't stop here. Just might as well get it all.
I'm stretching so far.
Yeah. It only sticks on this part, by the way.
Oh,
So.
I guess.
So now that we trimmed a little bit of the adhesive off of there, how about you do some mock-ups and I'll get some masking tape.
I think that looks pretty good. Well, these lines look like they match.
These lines? Okay. Because the audience needs to know if they get one of these, they want to know how to install it properly.
Line up these lines like so.
And then,
With your hands just like this, just like I'm doing.
okay. It's very scientific.
Very scientific, very technical. And you gotta make sure the side gaps are about even.
Do you want me to put some tape down? You think you have it in a good spot?
I think so.
Okay, so I'll put a little piece of tape here. Does that look right?
Yep. Don't be off or it'll be your fault.
And then, so this has to sit flat like that because we want the back to stick up high. So I notice when it comes in, it hits this because that's where that groove is. See this?
Yeah.
So that has to hit there. Is this side down? Can you tell?
Yeah.
Okay, so then I'll put a piece here for you.
Yeah.
How's that?
Looks good.
You want me to do the other side?
Yeah.
Just like that? Okay, you hold it. You're doing the important job. Okay.
Okay.
You gonna peel it with those claws?
Get first. Oh my gosh. Okay. Getting a little corner is not easy with these nails.
Just don't use your teeth like you use on everything else. You notice how she just litters, throws it all on my floor? If I did that in the kitchen, there would be trouble.
But The difference is when I get off this stool, I will pick those up.
Okay. Tense music playing.
Oh boy. My fingers are sticking. Where can I grab?
I'll hold this end for you.
Like that?
I think so. I'll pinch the glass from underneath so we don't flex the glass too much.
Well, it looks pretty even on my side. And these look pretty. Look at that.
Looks pretty good. Okay.
That's it?
That's it. I'm just going to squeeze this side for 30 seconds or so with a lot of force just so the adhesive activates and bonds a little better. I'll do that to that side too. And then we'll take it outside in the light and see how it looks.
I think I did a good job.
Let's look at your handiwork
I
here.
did a good job. And I picked up my mess.
I think she nailed it on all fronts. I think it looks good. Definitely going to add probably another, I don't know, 10 miles per hour top speed.
When you're
But-
only allowed to do 50 when I'm in the vehicle.
Don't do that. I don't like it. Anyway, we like this. So thanks again to Extreme Online Store for allowing us to do this mod and create a how-to video for you. Well, actually all the thanks is owed to you.
Thanks to me.
So why don't you lead us out since you're so good?
Oh no, it's been so long.
Try again. Practice.
If you liked today's video, give it a thumbs up. No.
Why are you looking at me?
You're supposed to be cueing me from the side. If you liked today's video, give us a big thumbs up, hit the like button, and we'll talk to you next time. I don't know. Okay, if you liked today's video, hit that like button. Please consider subscribing, and we'll talk to you next time. I did it.
She did it. See ya.